There are no walls with love, no barrier, nothing, be it race or religion. Over time, the world has evolved and even society and culture has no say when it comes to what they want. Nigerian celebrities so far have proven this, as quite a number of them are either happily married to foreigners. So today, I'll be talking about Nigerian celebrities who are married to Igbo foreigners. But before I do, if you're new to this channel, please click on the red subscribe button to subscribe and turn on the bell notification icon to be notified whenever I drop new videos. Follow me on Instagram at Ejimozi, EJIMOZY. I'm always active on Instagram. Just follow me there. So let's get right into the video. Uche Jumbo. Uche Jumbo is a Nigerian actress, screenwriter, and film producer. On May 16, 2012, the down-to-earth actress got married to her Puerto Rican husband, Kenny Rodriguez, at a private beach on the island of Puerto Rico. Puerto Rico is an unincorporated territory of the United States located in the Northeast Caribbean Sea, approximately 1,000 kilometers southeast of Miami, Florida. At the time, Uche Jumbo was criticized for not making information about her marriage public. She replied in an interview saying it was an agreement she had with her husband to save the moment. Today, the couple has a son they named Matthew Chinedu Rodriguez. Before her marriage with the white dude, Uche Jumbo dated Ikechukwu Uche, a Nigerian footballer who plays as a striker. Uche Jumbo made her debut as an actress in the Nigerian movie industry in 1999 with the movie Visa to Hell. Regina Askew. Regina Askew is a Nigerian-born American-based family nurse practitioner, healthcare and educational activist, television producer, writer, and public speaker who found fame as an actress and model. While in Nigeria, Regina Askew's acting break came in 1999 when she played gold digger Tkubo Johnson in Nigerian soap Fortune, later Mega Fortunes, on NTA Network, a role which earned her critical acclaim and rose in Nollywood movies. She became one of Nigeria's biggest acting celebrities. Regina Askew then suddenly disappeared from her TV screen after she got married to American Rudolph Rudy Williams, nephew of Ron Everett and grandson of Fez Williams. Together, the couple have two children, daughter Tessie Olympia and son Rudolph Jr. She currently lives in America with her family and is now a nurse practitioner practicing in New York City. Oluchi Onwa-Agba. Oluchi Onwa-Agba is a Nigerian model. At 17, Oluchi was urged by her family friend to enter into the Mnet Face of Africa preliminary screening at the Mnet office in Victoria Island, Lagos. The agency groomed her to be one of the Nigerians' entrants for the 1999 competition, now called the Nokia Face of Africa. This despite the fact that growing up, she had maintained a relative ignorance towards fashion and modeling. With the support of her family friends, she decided to compete in the inaugural edition of the Face of Africa in 1998. This was the first continent-wide model competition organized by the South African channel Mnet in collaboration with Elite Model Management. She won the competition. In 2006, Oluchi married Italian fashion designer Luca Orlandi. They have two sons together. Ufoma Ejionobo. Ufoma Ejionobo is a Nigerian filmmaker, actor, and former model. She got married to her European love, Stephen McDermott, on 23 April 2010. She officially changed her name to Ufoma McDermott on 23 May 2014 at the Lagos State High Court. Ufoma and Stephen McDermott have two children, a son born on 10 October 2012 and a daughter born on 8 August 2015. Ufoma started a career in entertainment with modeling in 2000 as a photographic model and later moved on to the runaway and beauty pageants. In February 2004, Ufoma decided on a movie career. Starting off with Zeb Ejoro's The President Must Not Die, she has continued to have roles in movies. In May 2005, she played her first lead role in Life and Death, her third movie after The President Must Not Die and Guy on the Line. By December 2005, she played Chibuzo on the Age of Paradise TV series produced by Royal Roots Network. Anita Hogan. Anita Hogan is a Nigerian actress. She got married to her Dutch husband in 2006. Since then, she rarely appears on screen. The actress and her husband Ted are blessed with two children. Ike Ogbonna. Ike Ogbonna is a Nigerian film and television actor, model, director and TV personality. He originated from the areas of Abia State, which is the southeastern part of Nigeria. Ike Ogbonna is married to a Colombian model named Sonia Morel. Before his marriage with Sonia Morel, Ogbonna was in a relationship with Ghanaian actress Juliet Ibrahim. Last year, there were rumors of marital crisis in Ike Ogbonna and Sonia Morel's marriage. However, after weeks of speculation, the lovebirds seemingly reunited, but new indicators are pointing that all may not be as well as Ike Ogbonna shunned his wife's birthday after she deleted her birthday post to him on Instagram. Morel had penned down a birthday message to Ike Ogbonna on January 12th. He didn't acknowledge her birthday but wished social media influencer Tunde Ednut a happy birthday instead. Ike Ogbonna and Morel shared a child together and got married shortly after meeting off popular social media platform Instagram. Ike Ogbonna began acting after completing his education at University of Jos. His first movie was Love Long, produced by Rookie Sanda in 2013. Ogbonna has won several awards. He is known for his stunning appearance on red carpet. Chioma Toplist. Chioma Toplist is a Nigerian actress. Toplist, whose English name is Elizabeth, is a native of Umuahia, Abia State, in southeastern part of Nigeria. She is related to another popular Nollywood actor and past president of the Actor Guild of Nigeria, Ejike Asiebu. Chioma Toplist is married to a UK man, Andrew Toplist, who is an engineer in the United Kingdom. They both have 3 children together. Toplist began her acting career when she first appeared in the successful 2004 movie Stolen Bible. Her appearance in the 2005 film Trinity and top actress Ogo Koye received positive reviews and is seen as Toplist's breaking performance into the big time in Nollywood. Chioma Toplist is also a businesswoman with interest in clothing and cosmetics and owns a couple of shops in Lagos and London. Karen Uho. Karen Uho is a Nigerian actress, model, media personality and reality star. Karen's parents separated when she was barely 2 years old and she met her dad for the first time at the age of 14. On December 13, 2014, Karen Uho got married to her Czech Republican husband, Yaroslav Rakos. They met when Karen traveled to London back in summer 2005. They got to know each other and they clicked. The traditional wedding ceremony took place in her hometown of Jos on December 14, 2014. The marriage is blessed with a son. Karen began her acting career after returning back to Nigeria in 2008, where she made a debut appearance on the 2008 edition of the reality TV show The Next Movie Star. She started to familiarize herself with the entertainment industry while appearing in music videos for the likes of Too Short and Timaya, modeling for Sound City Blast magazine, and also starring in a quite number of Nollywood movies. She then moved back to the UK to explore more opportunities. Karen eventually rose to fame after emerging winner of the 6th edition of the Big Brother Africa in 2011. Ashionye Michelle. Ashionye Michelle is an award-winning actress, producer, and singer known for her work in the movie Journey to Self. Ashionye first caught the attention of the fans in the early 2000s when she was a singer and dancer in a group, MT, before delving into acting. She got married on August 2009 to an Italian man, Carl Recker, and their union is blessed with 2 children. Aside acting, the beautiful actress is also into the beauty world, being the first Nigerian entertainer with her own perfume line, romanced by Ashionye. Susan Peters. Susan Peters is a multi-award winning Nigerian actress. She is a star on Nigerian TV, a successful model, interior designer, and beauty salon owner. Susan Peters was born into a military family of Idoma extraction in Ado local government area, Benin State, in central Nigeria. Her family moved around Nigeria extensively, and as a consequence, she speaks several Nigerian languages. Susan Peters got married to her Dutch husband in Koan Kroon in Lagos on 10 October 2015, but is now divorced. Kate Henshaw. Kate Henshaw is a Nigerian actress. Kate Henshaw had one of the longest celebrity marriages in Nigeria. She was married to Roderick James Nuttall, a British man. The couple was together for 12 years, but the union shattered in 2011. The actress has a daughter, Gabriel Nuttall, with her ex-husband. Roderick Nuttall is the managing director of Ladrop Nigeria Limited. The company is an agency for Jack Daniels and Piper Hedison Champagne. He has moved on with his life after their divorce and has remarried. However, some reports claiming the divorce was a result of several cases of infidelity against Kate by her husband. Rod has also accused Kate of having an affair with some famous people in both political and entertainment circles. Tosin Bucknor. Tosin Bucknor was a Nigerian media personality, actress, and social media content creator. Tosin Bucknor married her French husband Aurélien Boyer in November 15, 2015 at Landmark Event Center, Oniru. Tosin was found dead by her husband when he arrived at home from work on 19 November 2018. Her sister Funke Bucknor said through her Instagram account that Tosin died due to sickle cell complications. She was born with sickle cell anemia. Rest in peace, Tosin Bucknor. Thank you very much for having time to watch my video to the end. I have a question for you in the comment section. Which of these Nigerian celebrity marriages inspires you a lot? Drop your opinion in the comment section, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel if you are new. Turn on the bell notification icon to be notified anytime I drop new videos. Follow me on Instagram at Ejimozi, EJIMOZY. I'm always active on Instagram. Just follow me there. Thank you very much and God bless you.